Hey guys, welcome back to General Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back with a brand new benchmark. It's The Legend of Spyro, Dawn of the Dragon for the PS3. That's right, today we're testing out the RPCS3 Emulator once again. I hope you guys enjoy these contents, man. I'm running on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. We're going to show you the settings real quick before I get into the gameplay. Now, the whole point of the videos, as I normally say, is I stick to the default settings because the main goal is to try to make sure it runs in the first place. As long as it runs, we're golden. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and let's get into some gameplay. It's Spyro, man. It's surprising how many Spyro games there are. I was shocked for the trilogy at first, and then I realized that there's Spyros on PS3. How is that a thing? Now, this is the first time you're launching the game, so right out the bat, the game is running at 60 FPS right out the gate. So this is extremely playable. Now, like I said, the game just started. Things could go wrong, but it's doing well so far. I'd say that this is definitely playable, though. I imagine it doesn't look intensive enough. Oh, I'm tethered to something. I didn't even realize. Doing a lot of tests today, so I decided I'd do some RPCS3. It's been a while since I've done RPCS3 on the channel. I have been slacking with the RPCS3. Like, guys want to see the... Oh, I can grab people with... Oh, what you gonna do with them? Oh, damn. Oh, that's rough. That looks rough. That was rough. Nonetheless, it's keeping the 60 FPS under intense circumstances with a bunch of people around. So... Legend of Spyro Dawn of the Dragon is definitely a playable experience. I probably could have carried this up to 4K. I tried to run Killzone free just now. Didn't go well. Crashed before I could even load in the shaders at the beginning. So I'm like, that's not playable yet. Not on the i7-4790. But this, you can run this all day long. Oh my gosh. That's not good.
It's holding us down.
That's not good. Ow. Ow. Holy crap, Spyro doesn't have a lot of give, does he? The thing about Spyro is that the second I decide to move... Yeah, he doesn't have a lot of give. Oh, the rolls, I guess. The rolls definitely have to play a part. Because, I mean, otherwise he's like a sitting duck. Yeah, okay, the rolls. Because he's definitely like a sitting duck otherwise. It's going to be this and Captain America for the Xbox 360 today. I don't know if I'll do more. Blue Reflection is coming out shortly, so I have to do that as well. So I hope you guys stick around for more epic content. Don't forget, once again, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content, man. I play everything on the channel, as you know. Leave a comment down below again. Let's see me test out next. I do everything. RPCS3, Yuzu, Xenia, as well as PC gaming for lower and higher end CPUs and systems. Once again, this is definitely a this is holy crap! I nearly fell off. This is a 60 FPS all day. Like, this is great. This is gonna run fine. There's no issues here. I'm gonna mute myself now because the video is basically like there's not much else to do. The game runs fine. I'll see you guys next time. Just enjoy the gameplay until the video ends.
This chain is slowing us down. We can't fight it. We'll have to move in unison. Follow my lead.
Why should you lead?
Uh-oh. Take cover!
Okay, good idea. You lead.
Hey, Spyro, man, you're alive.
Sparks! It's good to see you too. You okay?
You know, a little stiff. Voice keeps changing, but I'm good.
Hey, this reunion is really touching and everything, but shouldn't we be going? Unless you want to wait for that thing to climb back up. I hate to think what it might do to Sparks.
Who is he?
I don't know. All he said was, "Shh, you're making too much noise."
I like him already.
Spyro, Cinder, how do you feel? Anything broken?
Shaken a little, but not too badly. Thanks to you.
I am relieved. I had feared I might be too late. My name is Hunter.
Hunter, you've been tracking me.
For far too long, friend. When you didn't return to the temple, the Elder Dragon, Ignitus, sent me to find you. That was nearly 3 years ago.
What? 3 years? But that's impossible.
Yes, I'm sure this news comes as quite a shock. Forgive me for the brevity of my explanation, but this is not the place to account for missing time. We are not safe here. Follow me. It's getting closer.
Whew. You go first, Cinder. It's safer. For me. Safer for me, I mean.
Quiet. You'll give us away.